Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play How to Train Your Dragon, Rise of Berk. To begin, you'll focus on gathering vital resources like fish and timber, which are crucial for expanding your village. You'll also start hatching and training the many unique dragons available, each with special abilities. Completing quests from familiar characters like Hiccup will guide your progress and unlock new adventures, making your journey on Berk truly epic. A core part of the game involves discovering and hatching a vast array of dragons, with over 600 unique species to collect. Once hatched, you'll train these magnificent creatures, leveling them up to their maximum of 126 to unlock their full potential. Sending your dragons on journeys is also key, as they'll bring back essential resources and gain valuable experience, strengthening your entire roster. Expanding your Viking village is vital for progress. You'll need to upgrade important buildings, such as the academy and fish market, to significantly increase your resource production. Clearing new land allows you to construct more structures, providing homes for an ever-growing number of dragons and Vikings. Careful resource management is essential to ensure your village thrives and continues to develop, making Berk a formidable home. Beyond your village, there's always more to do. Participate in exciting limited-time events to earn exclusive dragons and special rewards that you can't find anywhere else. You can also explore new, uncharted islands, uncovering hidden secrets and expanding your knowledge of the vast archipelago. For a competitive edge, engage in brawls with other players, testing your dragon's strength and earning valuable trophies to show off your skill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.